again. So I am doing the Ipsy May Glam Bag makeup tutorial, which is practically nothing. It's just eyeliner and eyeshadow, and hopefully it turns out okay because I still sort of suck at makeup. So we're gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing, and we're gonna try this out. So I did actually eventually get that open, and I am wearing the same shirt just because it had kind of all that green tones that we had with this. And it's gonna be very green, and we'll see. I have blue eyes, so it might look a little strange with that, but you know, Ipsy thinks it'll look good, so maybe it'll look good. Maybe I'll actually know what I'm doing. I won't, but it's okay. I'm not actually sure what you're supposed to start with, if you're supposed to start with the eyeshadow or the eyeliner, and I feel like sometimes it just depends on what you're trying to do with it. Just like foundation, because some people are like, oh, do your eyes before you do your foundation. You know, that way if you mess up your eyes, you're not wiping away your foundation when you wipe that away. And then other people are like, no, you really want to do your foundation first, so your primers are already there and you don't have to worry about trying to go around it when you're putting it on. And I think makeup is kind of very expressive, just like however you want to do it. You know, like however works well for you. And usually I put my eyeliner on first, but I'm also usually using a liquid black eyeliner, so then I would just like touch up the places where I might have gone over it. So I think I'm going to do my eyeshadow first and then do the eyeliner, because I feel like with the gel pens it'll probably be easier to do it that way. And I'm just going to wing it. I have no real plan. I never do. And anything I ever do. Life is fun that way, you know, it's always an adventure. I never know how it's gonna end up, and that took me forever to actually open again, and I don't know why. Anyway, so we're gonna do this shmoney eyeshadow and see how it goes, and I'm gonna use my new brush too, because why not? Okay. So I don't have any primer or anything on. I do actually, the only thing I have on is a little bit of mascara, but everything else is oh, and like the black on the under, because I had eyeliner on earlier, and then I was like, oh no, take that off because I'm going to be doing this. Because I don't, like I said, no plans. I have no plans. So me, I kind of just like, you know, pat it on, and we're going to see how that goes. I like to blow on it a little bit. I don't think you're actually supposed to do that, but who cares? Alright. I just want to see how dark this is. Ah, not bad. Not as bad as I thought it might be. Alright, so just brush it over the whole lid, and I don't know why it never looks like it's getting down on the bottom whenever I put stuff on. Ooh, it is very green. It didn't look like it up close, I don't know why. Definitely didn't get as much on that one. It's gonna be staying green forever. And don't forget that it's important to clean your brushes. I'm not gonna show you how to do that because, you know, I don't take my own advice. I always end up making it way too high. Alright. If I had multiple colors, I would actually be blending them together, but as it is, I'm just trying to take some of the green out from the middle, so it kind of looks like it's taping out a little bit, but you know, we'll see. Alright, time for this. It's actually, I finally found the name of it. It's called Sage Gold, and I put a little bit on my hand when I finally got it open, and it's like a really sparkly green, similar to this, but with more of that gold fleck to it, so this will be exciting. Alright, up on the line. I wish my camera would focus better. I don't usually work with gel pens, and honestly, it's really light. Not too bad, huh? Here's the tricky part, because I can never get them even. See, like, this one's so much thinner than this one is. It turned out a lot thicker. And this was kind of my woe. And I usually end up thickening this one, and then it's too thick, and then I gotta thicken the other one, and then I end up just washing it all off and starting over, or saying, screw it, I don't need any makeup today. Actually, it didn't turn out too bad. Thicken that one up a little bit. It is, like, really bright, though, like a really bright green. Probably not super great together. It sort of matches this. I think if I had a green shirt that like actually really matched the eyeliner, or the eyeshadow I mean, it would probably look a lot better. Or, you know, if I blended it with some gold, actually, it'd probably look really nice if you put some gold. I have some, hold on. Maybe if I put some gold powder. I'll show that off one day. I have this, and I'm pretty sure I just got it off of eBay at some point in time, and it's just a gold powder, which I'll probably get everywhere trying to open it. Okay. Maybe if I just brush a little bit of this on here, and that'll kind of to match up some of that gold from... from the eyeliner. I can finish the thought, I promise. I should bring another mirror in here so I'm not just trying to look off of the camera. That would probably also help. You can't really tell from far away. Hold on, let me just try not to spill this everywhere. What do you think? I actually like it. I'd probably go out wearing something like this. Like, it actually looks really nice. I think I did a good job. You can tell me what you think, and then if there's anything else that you would add to this, obviously put a little bit of foundation or possibly a little bit of blush because you're going for more of like the spring feel, you know. Blush always reminds me of like, oh, you're blushing because you really like somebody, and that's a very springy feeling to me. I don't know how to do eyebrows, so I wouldn't do that, but I'm sure other people would. And I don't wear a lot of lipstick, but if I did, I'd probably just wear something like real light pink or like a peach or something that kind of matches the outfit and pulls it all together into that springy feel. But honestly, I think it turned out pretty nice, so I'm gonna try this again on my next one, and you know, just stay with me and we'll see what we can do. Alright, thanks for coming, and I'll see you next time.